What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. And today we have a twisted updo. I haven't posted a twisted updo in a little minute because I've just been giving y'all these crochet videos. But today, you know, we're gonna do a twisted updo. You know, it's summertime. You know, you want to get the hair off your neck. You don't want to deal with it. And a twisted updo is one of those styles that is perfect for that. And you can also take it down later and have a twist out. So we're doing a flat twist in the back, and we're gonna do individual twists in the front. So if you know, I always like to pre-part and have my sections out how I'm going to twist it. And I was just putting my iStyles Hair Care styling foam, of course, on her hair. And just gonna twist this back up really cute. Try to make a little design instead of just twisting it straight up. You know, try to do a little something different. She kind of lets me do whatever I want. She just wanted up and she don't have to do nothing with it. So that is what I am doing. So we're just gonna get into this good old flat twist. All right, girl, okay. Alright, so whenever I detangle, I like to use a wide tooth comb or my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush. I love this brush. It makes detangling easy, even though a wide tooth comb does, but this has some give because the bristles move. And look at these curls. Look at these curls, and it makes the curls pop too. But yes, I like to use that brush because, like I said, it's not as flimsy as those knockoff versions. Like, I'm not gonna say no names, but it's just more sturdier, which I like, than the other brushes. But yes, if you haven't gotten one of her brushes, I'll link her website in the description below because I have sold out. Actually, I think I only have one left, but they didn't last long because when I detangle people's hair with it, they're like, what do you use? And I tell them, they're like, do you have one for me to buy? And I'm like, sure. So yes, get you a Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush, and it's black on. All right. All right, so in the front, I'm just doing individual twist. And like I said, I like doing these twisted updos because she can take the front loose and just have a twist out in the front and leave the back up. Or she could take the whole thing down and have a full head twist out. So these twisted updos give you like a 2, maybe a 3 in one style. So you can wouldn't have to worry about your hair for like 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. One client of mine, she even kept her twisted style for a whole month. I was like, well, you go, girl. But yes, so if you're looking for a low maintenance style, give a twisted updo a try. So here I let her sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes just to get the flyaways in the back to lay down, and we're done with this style. So yes, you guys, so if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. Thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know, have you tried twisted updo style? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at HERSTYLEZ with the Z15, and I'll see you on the next one.
Oh yeah, that is cute. Oh yeah, look at you. Yeah. I like that.
All right then. I just want to pop in and say, if you are in the metro Atlanta area, I'm located in Smyrna, Georgia. And if you are in need of any natural hair care services, you can make an appointment with me at www.HERSTYLEZHairStudio.com. Also, if you are in need of any natural hair care products, you can shop my iStyles hair care product line at www.istyleshaircare.com.